Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Welcome if you're new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get right into today's video. And as you see, the video is starting off a little bit different. Say hello to Charlie. But yeah, this company reached out to me. The company is called Benq Wit, I believe. Benq, and they sent me this desk lamp and they wanted me to review it, try it out, and show you guys. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And this video was a lot different than I'm used to. I had a big package, so like I'm trying on the floor, like my nephew Charlie was all in the way. But yeah, I did make it work. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up, and I'm gonna show you guys everything that's inside. And also, you will see two pair of hands because I do have my sister helping me, the one that always helped me with things. So once we got that out the package, this is what the entire package looks like in the inside. So first, as always, when we get a new package, of course we have the instructions. I will be honest, I didn't look over it because I felt like everything was straightforward. But the next thing that I'm going to show you is the little wall adapter, and you do have to plug this into the longer cord that's actually connected to the light. And then we have the actual light. So this was actually like, I had so many troubles trying to get this in frame just because how big it was. But yeah, this is the entire body of the lamp. And then here is that longer gray cord that I mentioned. I do like how long it is, just in case your outlet isn't near your table. And the last thing I'm going to show you is the base of the board. So this is really solid. I really loved how heavy it was. Like here I was just like, girl, this thing is so heavy, so I had to let her try it. But yeah, this is the base, and this is where you connect the lamp. I didn't get me putting it on, but the tool to apply it was included. It was in the instructions. So this light does claim to have a 150% wider like lighting area, and it's really flexible. And I'm just going to go ahead and take off the plastic so I can show you guys a close look of the lamp and also how flexible it is. So yeah, once I got the package off, this is how the light looks, and it's really long. Actually, I love how like it bends a little bit. I really love that about it. And then here I'm just connecting the wall adapter to that longer cord so I can plug it into the outlet. I'm going to show you the on and off specifications and everything. So how you turn this light on, it doesn't have a button. You actually tap the little silver ring, and that was really cool about the light. I haven't seen any light that does that. Like, it was just super cool to me. And then also this little knob on the top, this is the temperature changing setting. We get 3 temperatures. We get a high, medium, and a warm light. And also what I like about it, once you adjust it to the light that you want, like say, because I'm gonna always use the higher light, once I get the higher light, I can click the button and I can dim the light and like make it as bright as I want. So now on to the flexible test. So I have the whole light sitting on my nail desk, and as you can see, the top, like the actual light, you can bend it up and down as far as you want. And then we also have the mid area. You can also bend that up. You can have the light higher or lower. And then also here is the bottom part, like it goes back and forward as much as you want. And then it also, like the little thing, it turns so you can position it at any angle. And then also, like, here is the entire light. I do apologize if it's not the best angles. Like, this is something I'm really not used to. But yeah, the top part, you can also like turn it back and forward. So yeah, you can get any angle you want, and I did test it out like off camera, like angles that I couldn't get. You can basically move this light at any angle. The base is really solid, so like is there on your desk, and it's also a space saver because it doesn't have like anything in the way. You can position it to your liking. And the next part of the video, I'm not gonna do too much talking. I just wanted to like do a quick nail set to test out the lighting. And here is the lighting. I'm only using the Benq light. And honestly, the lighting isn't too much different than my usual ring lights. Usually I have like 2 ring lights, one like on top of everything, and then like another one to the left of like to catch the shadows and everything. But yeah, to be honest, it wasn't that much different. It was actually pretty bright and I liked it. So with that being said, I will leave everything down in the description box if you want to check this light out. If you want to buy it, I will say it is on the pricier side. So if you're just starting, you know, it won't be your first purchase. You might want to go with like a cheaper light, like the ring lights that I have. I will also link those down below. But yeah, I'm just gonna do a quick Femi beauty method with these glow in the dark acrylics from Modelones. I did use these in a previous video, but like I mentioned in one of my last videos last week, I said I was gonna squeeze in another Halloween set, and this is going to be that video. So I'm just gonna do each of the nails one color, and then I'm just gonna apply them, file them, and then add some stickers and stuff. And hopefully that's everything I had to mention. I'm just gonna let this part play out. I did speed it up quite a bit. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and like, and just enjoy the rest of the video. So yeah, I went ahead and filed the nails really quickly, and then also buffed the shine away from the nails. And now I'm just going to take some alcohol and cleanse the nails so I can go in with a little bit of nail art. And this is how the nails are looking. I really like these colors. Like, even though these are glow in the dark, these will be really pretty for the summertime because they are just so bright and like super vibrant. So at first, what I had in mind, I was just going to use some of this black gel polish from a cart, and I was just going to do different pumpkin faces on each of the nails in black, so that once I cure them and like once they start to glow, it would just be like a pumpkin outline on the nail. But since I am using my non-dominant hand, it wasn't really neat enough and I didn't like it. So yeah, you'll see me like ask my sister to even try to help. She did one of the nails. I ended up keeping the yellow one. Like, here is her trying to mimic some of these faces that I have on my phone, and the orange nail didn't really come out right, so we did end up keeping the nail that she's on now. But once I cure that, I am just gonna go in with some stickers. I'm not sure where they're from, but I did go in with some big black Halloween stickers and just place them in the center of the nail. And that's just what I'm gonna finish off doing. And once I add the stickers, I'm gonna add some top coat, and then I'll show you guys the finished nail and how they glow in the dark. And also, I know there can be some rude people, so keep in mind that my sister doesn't know anything about nails. She was literally just trying to use a brush and a dotting tool to draw on the pumpkin faces. So if her technique is a little bit different than what you're used to, do not mind that. I'm just going to go ahead and finish this, and I will show you guys the finished nails. And I added some cuticle oil, and this is how the nails turned out. I really like these, even though they are super simple. For some reason, I really like these. I think the stickers made it look even better because like that pumpkin face is And I actually asked my sister to do the thumbnail because I was running out of the big stickers, so she just applied 3 of the little ghosts on my thumb. And yeah, this is how the nails look once I've turned off the light. And it wasn't completely dark. I still had my window open, and I just went ahead and put them in the nail light for like a quick second, and when I take them out, they glow even more. And yeah, this is how they look inside the dark, like the complete dark. And I did record this inside my closet because like that was like the darkest I could get. So yeah, this is how the nails look, and this is how they glow. They glow super bright, and I really like them. I did really enjoy the lamp as well. I'll leave everything down below that I used in today's video, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.